Can you clean mold, hard water stains, or marks on walls before open inspection?
Yes, and we're particularly experienced in removing tough, stubborn marks and buildup that regular cleaners might miss or avoid. We regularly remove light surface mold and mildew in bathrooms or around windows, hard water stains on shower screens, taps and tiles, scuff marks and fingerprints on walls, doors and switches, soap residue, grime and surface damage in neglected areas. While we do not perform structural mold remediation like serious infestations behind walls, we absolutely handle cosmetic mold removal that's visible and unsightly, especially in homes that have been closed up, empty or tenant occupied. Our team uses safe, effective cleaning agents designed to kill mildew spores, dissolve mineral buildup, restore a fresh, cared-for appearance before buyers arrive. These details matter in photos. A streak-free shower screen, clean walls, and sparkling tiles all contribute to that move-in ready feel buyers love.